Hi everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to solve the error g++.exe error no such file or directory. So I'll be showing you two reasons and two possible solutions why this error is occurring. So let's get started. So the first reason is going to be space in the file name of your C++ program. In my case, here you can see my program name is new pro.cpp, but the issue is that I'm having a space over here. So that's the reason why I am getting this error. So I'm getting this error when I try to run by using the run button as well as the command g++. So the simplest solution is going to be just remove the space that you have in your file name. So for doing that, in Visual Studio Code you can just right click and you have an option called as rename. Select that and just remove the space, a backspace over here. That's it, and hit enter. Now your file name won't be having any spaces. So now if I just clear this and if I just run the g++ command without the space, yeah, and hit enter, here you can see I'm not getting any errors. And if I do /a, I'll be getting the output. And if I also press the run button, I'm getting the same output. So this is the first reason why this error is occurring. The second reason is going to be if you are inside the wrong path in terminal. For example, if I do a back cd command, which is cd ... So now I have gone past one folder, and if I now try to run the command g++, the program name .cpp, here you can see we'll be getting the same error here also. So the thing is, make sure that you are inside the right parent folder. So the right parent folder is C++ project. Okay, so I need to add a cd command to that. So it's going to be cd. Since I'm having space in my folder, I need to put that within single quote. It's going to be C++ space project and hit enter. So now if I run the same command, no errors. So make sure that you are inside the right folder path in terminal. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.